Hello doctors, here is a NEET PG 2025 update. So the candidates who are applying for round 3 counseling, this update is for you, and this notice is officially released by MCC. So according to that, if you are an Indian candidate who wishes to change to NRI candidate, this notice is for you. This video explains exactly what you need to do step by step. So watch till the end so that you do not miss any important deadlines and details. According to MCC, the candidates who wish to claim the NRI status can apply for conversion now. That is, from Indian nationality you can apply for the NRI category. So this application window is open from 15th of January 10 am till 17th of January 10 am. So these dates are fixed by MCC. All the required documents should be sent to the email. The link to it is given below for your reference. And also, if you send the emails before or after this time period, your emails will not be considered, your application will not be considered by MCC. So make sure you maintain this time schedule. So the candidates are required to submit all the documents. The documents list is given in the notice, and you will have to submit it according to the prescribed format, that is your Annexure 1. The details are also given in the notification, and please visit MCC website for more details how you need to apply. So now the documents which you need to submit, that is which you need to send through email, are your NEET PG admit card and scorecard, proof of NRI status of the parent or relative, that includes their valid passport, the NRI certificate issued by the embassy, visa. Also, the certificate of relationship between the NRI relative and the candidate also should be there in your documents, and the passport of the candidate or the sponsor, that is optional. Make sure all the documents are enclosed in the single email, that is the email which we've given you before, and make sure it is in the Annexure 1 format. So any missing document may lead to rejection of your application, so make sure all the documents are included in your email. So if you want to change your category for round 3 counseling, that is from Indian to NRI category, please make sure you send all the documents in the stipulated time window itself. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and all the very best for your future round 3 counseling. Thank you.